In today's video, I am going to teach you how to browse LinkedIn with utmost discretion. We will be diving into a step-by-step guide that empowers you to explore profiles without leaving any traces behind. Let us get started by first launching your web browser and heading over to LinkedIn's website. You will want to navigate to www.linkedin.com. If you are already familiar with LinkedIn, this should be a smooth process. However, if you are new, do not worry. Once you reach LinkedIn's homepage, take a moment to log into your account. You have the convenience of signing in using your Google or Microsoft accounts, which offers a swift one-click login experience. Alternatively, entering your email address and password works just as effectively. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication set up, it is advisable to have your phone at hand, as LinkedIn might send a verification code to your registered number. It is an extra layer of security that is definitely worth it. Upon successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the LinkedIn page, where your profile picture is located. Click on this image, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This section is your central hub for managing how your profile is perceived by others, allowing you to tailor your account settings to better match your preferences. Once inside the Settings and Privacy menu, look for and click on the Visibility option. This is the crucial point where you can control what others see when they interact with your profile. Inside the Visibility section, locate and select Profile Viewing options. This is where the key part of today's tutorial unfolds. It is essential to choose the private mode here. By doing this, you can browse through profiles on LinkedIn without revealing your identity. Essentially, it allows you to view updates and public information without notifying the profile owner of your visit. Scrolling further down, you will notice a section entitled, "This is what others will see." This helps confirm how your identity appears, or does not appear, to those whose profiles you view. Selecting private mode ensures that no name or other specifics about you will be visible to them. It is a subtle yet powerful way to maintain your online privacy. These arrangements empower you to explore LinkedIn profiles freely without leaving any trace. Remember, making smart use of LinkedIn's privacy features can be a game changer in how you move through professional networks, all while respecting both your own privacy and that of others. By following these steps, you can comfortably navigate professional spaces with confidence and discretion. Happy browsing!